combinations and permutations. Question number 1. NC14 equal to NC16. Then what is the value of 32CN? We know that NCR equal to factorial n divided by factorial n minus r factorial r. So factorial n divided by factorial n minus 14 times factorial 14 equals factorial n divided by factorial n minus 16 factorial 16. So here we can write factorial n divided by factorial. Here we can take out n minus 14 and n minus 15 from within the factorial. So it will be n minus 15. Then factorial n minus 16 will be left times factorial 14 equals in RHS factorial n divided by factorial n minus 16, and this factorial 16 can be written as 16 into 15 and then factorial 14. So factorial 14 will cancel out, factorial n minus 16 and minus 16 will cancel out, factorial n will cancel out. Then we will be left with 16 into 15 is equal to n minus 14 times n minus 15. So we can use guess method here. So these two terms will be correspondingly equal. So n minus 14 equal to 16 or n equal to 30. The same is true for this n minus 15 equal to 15. That will give n equal to 30. So it's the first question. Now let's see question number 2. Question number 2 says, if 20cx equal to 20cy and x does not equal to y, then what is the value of x plus y? So 20cx equal to 20c. We know that NCR can be written as NC n minus r. So we can write 20 CR. So 20 CS and this can 20 CX equals 20 C 20 minus y, and then it is factorial 20 divided by factorial 20 minus x times factorial x equal to factorial 20 divided by factorial 20 minus 20 plus y times factorial 20 minus y. So from here 20 will cancel out. So and factorial 20 will also cancel out. So we will get factorial y factorial 20 minus y equal to 20 minus x factorial into factorial x. So here these two terms will be equal and these two terms will be equal. So we can say that y must be equal to 20 minus x, which gives x plus y equal to 20. The same will be true from here. X must be equal to 20 minus y. So from here also we will get same thing. So x plus y is 20. Now there is one rule that if there are n objects from which r are to be chosen, then we write it as NCR. Let's understand it by one question. So question number 3, In how many ways a team of ways a team of three boys and three girls be selected from five boys and four girls? So it's very simple question. Out of five boys, three are to be selected. So we can say 5C3 multiplied by out of four girls, three girls are to be selected. Then 4C3. We can evaluate it by using formula factorial and divide by factorial and minus r factorial. Now let's see one more question on the basis of this concept. Question number 4. In how many ways a team of 11 players can be selected if there are 14 players in which one is captain and 13 are similar, and this is one way where captain is to be selected. So the ways of selection will be there is one captain and one captain is always to be selected. So we can say 1C1. Then since 11 players are to be selected, one is already selected, so 10 more participants are needed. So out of 13, 10. This is first part of the question. Now second part, when captain is not to be selected. Second part is out of 14 players, captain is to be excluded, and from 13 players, 11 are to be chosen. So number of ways will be, we can say that 1C0, this one stands for captain, one captain, so he is not to be selected. Then next, out of 13, 11 players are to be selected. So this, let's see next concept. Concept says number of ways or combinations of n objects which are dissimilar, and by taking some or all at the same time is 2 power n minus 1. So let's see questions based on this concept. Question is 5. In how many ways, how many different groups of points may be formed with 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, and 5 rupees coins. So let's see the solution. Here there are 4 types of coins. So number of groups will be equal to 2 power 4 minus 1. That will be 16 minus 1, which is 15. Rule says if there are n objects and we are taking some or all at the same time. So here 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupees, and 5 rupees. Four types of coins are there. So number of ways or number of combination will be 2 power n minus 1, that is 2 power 4 minus 1, which gives 15. Now, next concept, number of diagonals. Number of diagonals in a polygon equal to nc2 minus n, where n is number of sides. Let's see question based on it. Question says, how many diagonals does a polygon have if it has 40 sides? So rule is very simple. Number of diagonals in a polygon is given by nc2 minus n. So answer will be nc2. Here n is 40, 40c2 minus 40. This can be evaluated. Formula is NCR, as you know, factorial n divided by factorial n minus r factorial. Now, next question. Question number 7. It says the number of arrangements are later. The number of arrangements of letters of word arrange in which both R's don't occur together. So here arrange is a 7-letter word. ARRANG. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And R is occurring 2 times and A is also occurring 2 times. So number of arrangements equal to total number of letters in factorial. So factorial 7 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 2. Next question, question number 8. It says number of triangles formed from 12 points in which 7 are collinear. So the rule says that first we take our points, so 12 points, and by joining 3 points, we will get the triangle. So 12 is C3 minus collinear points. So there are 7 collinear points, so 7C3. This can be evaluated, and this will give 220 minus 35, and that will be 185. Let's see next question. Next question says, if number of diagonals in a polygon are 44, number of diagonals in a polygon equal to 44. So we have to find out number of sides. So as you know that number of diagonals are given by nc2 minus n, where n is number of sides. So it is given as 44. So we simplify, nc2 means n into n minus 1 divided by 2 minus n equal to 44, which can be written as n square minus n minus 2n equal to 88, or n square minus 3n minus 88 equal to 0. We can factorize it. So n minus 11 and n plus 8 equal to 0. So n equal to 11, n cannot be minus 8. Let's see next question. Next question is, how many numbers of 5 digits? May be found from 2, 0, 4, 5, 3, 8. If the digits are not repeated. So there are 5 places. And there are 6 numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First place cannot be filled with 0. So here we can put either 2 or 4 or 5 or 3 or 8. So there are 5 ways for filling this. Then this place can be filled by 5 ways. Then this can be filled by 4 ways. Then this can be filled by 3 ways. And this can be filled by 2 ways. So total number of ways will be 5 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. This is 25, 100, 600. So this is our answer. Thank you.